So here are the other IS careers. So consulting opportunities, computer training, computer and computer equipment sales, computer repair and maintenance, support services, employment with technology companies, and entrepreneurial ventures. In addition to the IS workers that we have previously mentioned, meron ding mga companies na meron silang mga tao na merong information systems related roles pero hindi sila gumagamit ng information systems. So for example, data scientists, they are usually found in the marketing, sales, and supply chain management departments of large organizations with or without an information system. Meron din tayong term which is yung shadow IT. So, it is a term used to describe the IS and solutions built and deployed by departments other than the information systems department. Ibig sabihin, eto yung mga business solutions, technical solutions na hindi ginawa ng isang IS department or posibleng walang IS department kaya nagkaroon ng gantong solutions. So, shadow IT enables business managers to quickly create highly innovative solutions to real business problems and to test these solutions out. But then again, we must remember na kaya nga siya tinawag na shadow IT kasi yung solutions na to or yung mga system na to, they were not created within the organization. This raises security risks. Kasi, yung mga shadow IT solutions, usually mga available from cloud services and sometimes even from non-approved vendors or software or hardware. Or baka yung organization, wala silang IS department to judge or to check the standards nung solutions na yun. Usually, there are issues that arise when shadow IT solution breaks because they don't know kung sino yung responsible sa pag-aayos nun. Kasi ang isang downside ng shadow IT is nagbayad ka one time and wala silang ino-offer na tech support. So kapag nasira to, hindi nyo malaman ngayon kung paano nyo aayusin and paano masusuportahan yung mga end users na naiwang luhaan. So again, it's possible na nangyari ito because walang IS department or nung nagkaroon ng shadow IT solution, wala pa. It's a good, quick solution, but it's also risky in the long run. Most IT careers involve working in project teams that can consist of many of the positions and roles that we have previously discussed. It's always good for IS professionals to have good communication skills, like we have already mentioned and is already presented in the previous slides, and the ability to work with other people. Because it's very rare that you work alone in terms of information system. So nakita nyo naman, di ba, meron pang iba't ibang group. Meron yung parang management, merong operations, merong development, and merong support. Kahit nga sa schools, di ba, we often work in project teams. In terms of IS careers, a virtual team is a group of individuals whose members are distributed geographically but who collaborate and complete work through the use of information systems. We can understand from that definition alone that a virtual team is not together physically. Kasi nga distributed geographically, diba? These people within the virtual team may be composed of individuals from a single organization or from multiple organizations. So, depende siguro sa reason why they are collaborating. One benefit of virtual teams is that they can get the best people in the organization from different geographical regions to solve important organizational problems. Because they are geographically far from each other, they seldom meet face-to-face. And in this time of pandemic, it's possible that they really don't, or they only see their teammates through video conferencing. However, it is important that the virtual team communicate often so that they can ensure the success of the project. The virtual team members may need to continually monitor their email or instant messages, and they may also participate, like what I've already mentioned, in video conferences or audio conferencing on short notice. Virtual team members must be prepared to work anywhere, anytime. although they are the best people in their organizations, the downside to it is that it seems like their work is never ending. Kasi nga, 'di ba? You're supposed to be always available. So, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan yung lahat ng possible careers regarding information systems. But then again, how do we actually find that job? So, given na kayo ay gagraduate na or graduate na or you're bored with your current job, how do you find a job in the information systems area? So, yung common na ginagawa is may mga pumupuntang recruiters from companies pumupunta sa schools. So, nagkakaroon ng mga parang job fair and yung mga candidates for graduations, nagpapasa sila ng resume. Also, minsan, through referrals, so kunyari, yung mga dati kong estudyante or yung mga classmate ko nung college, they usually use a referral to recruit people. Tapos nakakakuha sila ng parang referral fee. It's very important, however, that you develop a good online resume. Kasi nowadays, aside from the aforementioned means, meron na rin tayong mga websites that are used to find jobs. One good example is yung jobstreet.com. Yung mga online job sites like JobStreet, company websites, minsan kunyari, sa Accenture. So, pag click niyo yung careers tab, makikita niyo yung mga possible na trabaho na meron doon. And sometimes people do recruitment through ads or through social networking sites. Then again, I'd like to assert that it's important that you have a good resume para ma-employ ka. So, minsan, merong mga professions or IS roles na nagre-require ng some kind of certification. A certification is a process for testing skills and knowledge, and if you successfully complete a certification exam, magkakaroon ka nga ng certification. Merong certifying authority na magko-confirm na ikaw ay capable na gawin ang isang set of particular tasks. So, it frequently involves specific vendor-provided or vendor-endorsed coursework. Popular certification programs include Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, Certified Information System Security Professional, Oracle Certified Professional, and Cisco Certified Security Professional. Some more other in-demand certifications include Citrix Certified Enterprise Engineer, Certified Computer Examiner, AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate, MongoDB Certified DBA, and Cisco Certified Design Associate. Itong mga bagay na to, usually, before you get these certifications, you're required to have trainings. Kasi hindi nyo sila maipapasa na wala kayong training. And these certifications will help you to be more employable. Kasi syempre, if you've proven that you are capable of performing a certain technical task and you are applying for a position that is connected to that, then the chance of you being hired is almost 100% already. Once na kayo ay makagraduate, and hopefully when you're employed, sana yung mga employers ninyo, they give you scholarships of some sort na makapag-train for a certain certification, and then bayaran din nila yung exam for that certification. Kasi yung mga certifications na binanggit ko, usually they cost a lot of money. To summarize everything, ito yung mga details na kailangan nating tandaan. So first, the value of information is directly linked to how it helps decision makers achieve the organization's goals. Also, information systems are composed of fundamental components, yung 6, that must be carefully assembled and integrated to work well together. Managers have essential role to play in the successful implementation and use of information systems, and that role changes depending on which type of information system is being implemented. Information systems must be implemented in such a manner that they are accepted and work well with the context of an organization and support its fundamental business goals and strategies. Also, the information systems worker functions at the intersection of business and technology and designs, builds, and implements solutions that allow organizations to effectively leverage information technology systems. So I got most of the resources from the Fundamentals of Information Systems 9th edition by Stair and Reynolds. And some ideas were also obtained from Information Systems for Business and Beyond